Follow these tips to achieve the perfect New York pizza in an electric oven. Set your home electric oven to its maximum temperature, ideally between 500 degrees Fahrenheit and 550 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius to 290 degrees Celsius. The high heat is key to getting that crispy, slightly chewy, New York style crust. For a high heat electric oven with a pizza stone, you will need to preheat the oven for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. For a home oven, preheat a pizza stone or baking steel for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. These surfaces hold heat well and mimic the effect of a pizzeria's high-heat pizza oven, giving you a better bottom crust. Use a New York style dough that is high in gluten. Bread flour works well and cold fermented for 24 to 48 hours. This long fermentation helps create the signature chewiness. When ready to bake, stretch or roll the dough into a thin circle, around 14 to 16 inches in diameter if possible. Aim for a thin, even crust for the characteristic foldable slice. Lightly dust a pizza peel or baking sheet with flour or semolina to prevent it from sticking. Place the stretched dough in the peel and make sure it slides easily. You may want to lightly brush the outer rim of the dough with olive oil to help create a golden crispy crust if you were using a home oven. Spread a thin layer of pizza sauce and sprinkle grated low moisture mozzarella evenly over the sauce. This is the standard cheese for New York pizza, as it melts evenly and doesn't release too much moisture. Carefully slide the pizza from the peel or baking sheet onto the preheated pizza stone or baking steel. The intense heat from below will help give the pizza a crispy bottom crust. If you don't have a pizza stone or steel, you can bake the pizza directly on an inverted baking sheet that's been preheated along with the oven. In a home oven, bake for 7 minutes, depending on your oven's temperature. For a high-heat electric pizza oven, cook for 3 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on the pizza at all times. The edges should become crispy and lightly browned. The cheese should be melted and bubbling with slight browning in spots. The bottom should have some charred spots and be crispy, but the pizza should remain flexible enough to fold. Rotate the pizza halfway to ensure even cooking, especially if your oven has hot spots. Use a pizza peel or a spatula to carefully remove the pizza from the oven. Let the pizza cool for 1 to 2 minutes to allow the cheese to set, which makes slicing easier. Slice the pizza into large slices typical of New York pizza, so each slice is foldable. By using high heat, a preheated pizza stone or steel, and the right dough, you can recreate that iconic New York style pizza in your electric oven. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up to support the channel and algorithm. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!